Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will tell you that how to book Saudi airline ticket. First of all, I will check from Peshawar to Jeddah in 22 of September. I will tap the search. In the next window you can see different fare with one stop, two stop and different sectors. Now you can see here direct flight from Peshawar to Jeddah, which is 1,700 on NDC and 1,900 on Sabre. Click on the book menu tab. In the next window you can see the detail of flight, then click to continue. Here you can put the passenger name according to the passport record, date of birth of the passenger, passport number of the passenger, and also expiry date of the passport number. Now click on the continue tab. In the next window you can hold your PNR. Now you can hold your PNR here. Click on the tab. In this way you can pay your ticket. Now you can check your email. I have paid the ticket. You can see the detail of your paid ticket. Here you can see the time as well as the ticketed PNR here. Nadeem Khan. E-ticket number you can also see here. Now you can print your ticket. On the print menu, click on the print option. And this way you can print your ticket. You can print the print view. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.